to wash your hands. I've already done. So we need cheese spread, ketchup and wafers. We need to even crack the wafers. After crushing, we will put cheese spread on the biscuits. We even need not normal biscuits, salty ones, to make it yummy. Then putting chips and ketchup. So we need to put on both the biscuits the cheese spread to make it extra yummier and stick.
Show it here also.
There we go. Some ketchup. It looks like pizza still. If it's too much, you need to do with
I cannot see, your hand is over here.
If it's too much, so you need to a bit spread it after doing like this.
Okay.
After that, stick. Now it looks like a burger. A little small burger.